How to make money with Outlier AI training jobs. In this video, we're going to be talking about Outlier AI and how you're going to get jobs and make money off of it. Now, Outlier AI, if you're not aware of it, is the next generation of AI. And we're going to be talking about it in great detail and talking on how you can actually get these incredible AI training jobs for yourself and make money. And the best part is that these training jobs are so easy and so straightforward that they're not going to take you a lot of time or mental space. Now, imagine getting paid to train AI models by simply chatting, giving feedback, or labeling data. No tech degree, no special skills. That is Outlier AI, a hidden gem where people are earning $20 an hour from home. Now, what is Outlier? What does it actually constitute? Outlier AI is a platform that corrects or connects everyday people to machine learning projects. Companies building AI models outsource data collection and annotation tasks. Outlier hires people to do tasks like labeling text, giving feedback on chatbot responses, categorizing content, and much more. Now, these are called AI training jobs, and they're part of how large models like GPT and Claude get smarter. Now, the best part about, using a software like this is, first of all, the whole sign up process. It's really simple, it's really straightforward, and you don't really have to, do a whole basic regimen of the step-by-step sign in. It's pretty straightforward. So you go over to view opportunities. Now, it's going to bring you the Outlier registration. Now, once you're in your opportunities page, it's going to bring you here where, first of all, obviously, it's going to ask you the location you want opportunities on. Then over here, you can go with types as well. There's specialists, there's coders, there's generalists, and then there's languages. So there's different types of things you can help with helping the AI. Now, let's say I want to go ahead with English AIs. Okay, I don't want to work around with others. So we have United States, and then the specialists that we have are advanced math expertise, AI training for accounting, AI training for business, AI training for data science, AI training for electronics, and so on. It keeps going on and on. And obviously, there's different things like generalists, where you can do an AI content reviewer, AI content trainer. So you can see there's a lot of things that you can actually train AI on. Now, there's different types of jobs offered, as you can see. First of all, there's data labeling, where you can tag photos or texts for different types of, imageries, and you can actually let them know that, okay, yeah, this is an image, this is a person, this is an object, etc. Stuff like that. Pretty straightforward, doesn't take a lot of your time, and it's really simple. Like, you don't really need a degree or any expertise for this. Then we have conversational AI feedback that you can get in generalism, so you can rate AI chatbot responses basically. So whenever a chatbot is talking to someone or, even talking to you, it's pretty straightforward that you're going to have to, go ahead and give them a proper review on the responses so they can know if they need to work on the responses or if their responses are actually up to par. Then moving on, you have web research. So you can find data to improve all the training sets that are given to AI. Then you have content categorization, where you have sorting and rating info, and some even include writing prompts or responses. Outlier usually partners with companies like Scale AI or Surge AI to supply this work. It's legit, and payments are typically made weekly via platforms like Deal or Payoneer. Now, if we move over to the step-by-step sign up and onboarding, it's pretty straightforward. Okay, all you're gonna need to do is just choose any job out of here. So let's say I'm gonna go to let's go to this remote AI writing evaluator. Let's go with tier 3. Now, once you open that up, it's going to bring this. So remote AI writing evaluator tier 3. Now you're going to read the details. So Outlier helps the world's most innovative companies improve their AI models. About the opportunity, looking for talented writers with fluency in English to help train generative AI models. Reading and writing intensive freelance opportunity is through remote, and the hours are flexible so you can work whenever is best for you. You may contribute your expertise by reading English text in order to rank a series of responses, writing and rewriting prompts and responses, and assessing the factuality and relevance of text by produced AI models. So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward and it's pretty simple. Now, currently, pay rates for core project work by English and writing experts is $35 per hour. And rates vary based on expertise. And obviously, for example, higher rates may be offered to PhDs. For non-core, obviously, lower rates will apply. But you can see it's pretty simple and straightforward. Now, what you're going to need to do is fill in your application and create your account, verify your identity and phone number, pass a skills assessment or interview, start working and earning. So it's pretty straightforward. Just go to apply now. First of all, you're going to read all of their terms and agreements, agree to all of it. And once all of that is done, simply go over to sign up with an email. Now, I'm simply going to add my email right over here. Once we add our email over here, simply come to this section, add in your password, and click on sign up with email. Now, once that is done, what happens from here is it will obviously load you in. And once you are loaded in, what's going to happen is it's going to take you to the next page. Now over here, it's going to say that you need to verify your email. So just go over to your email inbox, and once you get your email, obviously they're going to give you a verification link that you're going to have to just check box, make sure that it's validated. And once all of that is done, obviously from there on out, they're going to give you some more verifications like your identities and all of that stuff that you're just going to need to fill out and wait for your verification to come through complete. So, as you can see, it's pretty straightforward and pretty helpful to use a software like this for yourself because not only does it give you a proper opportunity to work, but it also gives you pretty good money for it. Now, if I were to talk about the pros and cons of using a software like this, I would say that the pros are definitely no degree or coding required. Like, imagine having no education and still earning a decent average amount of money, like above minimum wage. Without any education, that's incredible. Then the best part is the remote and flexibility of this job. So you can work remotely from anywhere in the world, and it's extremely flexible with its timings. You get paid every week. And obviously, they provide you with a lot of training as well, which is a good thing with an AI software like this. Now, if I move over to the cons, I will say that it can be repetitive. Sometimes qualifications in some cases are required, and sometimes project availability is quite limited. So, how are you to maximize your earnings with all of these details? I would say stay active in your dashboard, check new projects almost daily, complete tasks quickly but accurately because quality scores do matter, and be open to different task types. So, yeah, that's the main idea of Outlier AI and how you're going to be making money on this incredible software. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. Thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you all next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.